What's up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with ZoomX, who are offering a 20% cashback on sign up and deposit on their platform. Deposit $100 and get $20 back just for signing up. Absolutely incredible deal. Make sure to take advantage below, along with our other exchange partnerships. Let's get into the video. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, currently looking like we're heading back up towards the top of this local range that we've kind of put in over the past, what we're looking at since February really. We obviously had the big pump, Trump, pump and dump, liquidity sweep below the previous low, dead cat bounce to the upside, retrace to the low. Now looking like we could potentially be breaking out to the high again. As you can quite clearly see on the charts here, we have broken out this local resistance and this overall resistance that we were in before. We kind of broke out, retested, now we're breaking out again, probably looking likely in my opinion to be heading up towards this 3.3 cent area here, past the 0.23 Fibonacci level, back to the upside, back up to this area here of previous resistance, which also happens to be this bear market range high area that we've had so much trouble breaking in the past. You can see resistance, resistance. We kind of broke here. We came back inside resistance again. We got the Trump pump. We came back inside again. Resistance again. So this level is probably going to get tested one more time over the next few weeks, I think. Provided that Bitcoin obviously plays ball. Bitcoin's currently at all-time highs, but you wouldn't know it looking at altcoins. You can see how badly, not just Vechain here, which was looking like it could have been doing something like this, but in reality it just did sideways forever. The vast majority of altcoins are looking very similar to this. You can see the altcoin basket here is actually looking pretty bullish across the board. You can see there's a few cryptos here that are starting to finally move. Ethereum here is having its time in the sun, heading up here as you can see. XRP also heading up. We've got Solana heading up to the top of that range that I was talking about before as well. You can see across the board here, Chainlink also moving up. Quite a few cryptos finally having a little bit of a move to the upside, as you can see. But right now, we're looking at Vechain thinking it's not really having much of a move at all. And it does need to start getting more correlated with these bigger cryptos pretty soon, because otherwise we are going to be seeing some big moves and some big pumps across the crypto space. And Vechain is definitely going to be getting left behind as well. You can see Vechain here basically just going sideways still. If you'd bought Vechain 3 years ago, you would still be at the same price as you are now, which is pretty remarkable to see. Obviously, you can see in this local area really we're just putting in a range, but not really any impetus to the upside compared to a lot of other cryptos. Ethereum here looking like it's finally starting to get a decent move up, as you can see. Probably going to be targeting up towards this level up here at 4K. You can see, as I said, XRP looking like it's coming up to target that all-time high level again. Lots and lots of cryptos making some decent moves to the upside. Dogecoin here looking like it wants to start moving as well. Dogecoin, one of those cryptos where I feel like it could just go woof, woof, whoosh to the upside at any point. But Vechain right now really not showing any of that kind of movement. Despite the fact that altcoins are starting to rally, we haven't seen anywhere near the kind of volume that we've seen for the bigger cryptos, Ethereum, XRP. I wonder if Cardano is moving. Let's have a look. Cardano is kind of just chopping around, isn't it? The same as Vechain in many ways. Vechain right now not showing the kind of impetus to the upside that I'd be looking for. Right now in the hourly, you can see we're kind of just going sideways still. Chopping around quite a lot. We do need to see this start to accelerate back up to this range high pretty soon, in my opinion. Otherwise, these larger cryptos are going to start leaving behind these smaller ones. Hopefully, we're finally starting to see a bit of capital rotation where you get Bitcoin pump and then you get Ethereum and Solana and XRP, etc. pump. And then you get some of the smaller cryptos after that pump like Vechain. So hopefully we can get some capital rotating into Vechain so that we can continue up. Right now, not much to report. Just looking pretty sad. Joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for ZoomX to get your 20% bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks a lot for watching. you.